Hello, welcome to my Stone Different. Today we have a haul, and this haul is a little bit like just like random things, but see what they are. Okay, so the first thing I got is Viviscal hair growth, and this one is like it's a little tablet. It's like a round tablet like that. Okay, like this, and it says you take twice daily, one, and it's got vitamin C, niacin, biotin, calcium, iron, zinc, and collagen, oyster, and amino marine complex, horsetail extract, millet seed extract. So it has collagen in it, which is really important in hair growth. Like it's like a basic thing. So I mean, I've tried this before and it works really, really good. So I'm gonna do this again because I have so many supplements that I take that like I can just like take this one and it will help with like my hair and all that. So I have Velveeta cheese sauce, and this is like a sheet set with like it's got like a fitted sheet, pillowcases, and flat. And this one I got on sale. It was like 8 something. Here's the pillowcases. See? It's really cute. So there's that one. Then I got this pretty scarf. Got this for my mom. It's a pretty like dupe scarf. And it's like silky. And it's this brand Extra. And they have a bunch of cute little dupes. Then I bought this. What is this? Let's see what it says. Oh, it's a costume. So this is a lion costume. So I'm gonna have to try that on. But I got it for under $10, so I thought it was a good price. It's a size large, and it comes like a pajama like jumper. You know those cosplay or whatever those people use. And then let's see what's in here. Oh, this is just cookies. It was just cookies in here. So these are my Omo cookies. I get them for like less than $1.50. And then the last box I have. Let's see what's in it. Oh, I bought this Vivo Perlay, and this is the moisturizing cream. Like I have the like microdermabrasion stuff, and this is like the moisturizing cream you use afterwards, and it makes your skin super soft. And I like this, like it's like cute little, like a gift. I think I'll give this to my mom too. And I'll keep this one. Let's see what's in here. But that stuff, I've been using it for so long, and like I can't find anything that beats that, facial moisturizer. So I literally don't even try anymore because it's like both products you get that amount for like $10, around $10. So I mean, it's totally worth it. So here I have what do you call it? Like a home scent, fragrance scent. It's called Ritz Carlton. I literally can't smell it. Um, but I got the Weston or something like that, and it smells so good. It's like a citrus scent, and it works right away. But here's another scarf that I got from X-Tree, and this is another dupe, and it's like another equestrian theme, but it's just kind of plain gold and green. Let's see, it's like really, really big and really cute. So, I mean, I like it so much. Then I have, look at this. I got ranch seasoning. So like you put this on your food, like you can make like chicken and put this, shake some on your chicken or whatever you have. Put it on vegetables. Let's see what it says. Meals and snacks, vegetables, popcorn, and more. Proteins, vegetables, popcorn, and more. So everybody likes ranch dressing. So I bought some of this because I want to stay like relevant in my kitchen. Then I got this ring, and this ring is like um, a lion's head ring. It was like under $10, and I thought it was so cute. And it's just like a lion with a little tiny. It has like a little jewel inside of his mouth, and then it has like all the little sparkle around it. Can you see it? You see that little dot? That's literally the little. And then it's like enameled on the side. Like I didn't even see that. It's enameled on the side and gold. That's so cute. So yeah, I got this for under $10. It was like a steal for me. This is from The Gap. And these were two for like $5. And I love The Gap. Like, their clothes are so comfortable. So I got these V-necks, and they're in size extra small, so they will fit me good. And they're like long, like, and one's in navy and the other one is in khaki. You can see it's really cute. So I mean, they're, how do you call it, quarter length sleeve and V-neck, and the back is just a plain back, just basic. But I like it because it's like a long torso. You know what I mean? It kind of feels like a tunic, but they're totally affordable for me, and you know, it adds to my wardrobe I already have. And yeah, what's to say about that? And then I have these two packages. What is this? I don't remember what that is. Oh, it's my blankie. I ordered a blankie. I got this blanket for under $10. And I was so happy because like it's like a pretty good size. And it's really, really soft. Like now that I have it, it's soft on both sides, like a little fuzzy. And this one, actually, I got it because of the message it said, and it was like affordable. It says literally best sister, and it says all this stuff like love and love you today, tomorrow, and forever. And you were born to be awesome, and life is better with a sister, and always my sister forever is my friend. And I thought it was so cute because like I never actually like get stuff like that, like other than like mom stuff. And I think it's funny because like my kids are like real cringe when it comes to mushy stuff. And so like I know like if they notice my blanket, they'll be like, ew. so so I went ahead and bought it in purple. And this is the last one, guys. I got medicine. This is I got it for like under $4. I have sinus congestion and pain with ibuprofen and phenylephrine. And yeah, this is my go-to because like I have like a bunch of sinus pressure and a bunch of like allergy, and it helps like the allergy, and it helps for the pain that comes with it, because if you don't take care of your sinus, I don't know if you guys know this, but you can get like fever, and this will go ahead and just like stop it in its track. This is like from undies.com, and I got it for like $4 or under $5 definitely. See if I can open it. This is a size medium, mind you. So I don't know. It might fit, it might not. I don't know. Looks like it will. So this is some lavender color, I guess. The size medium. It's lace and it's lined with mesh, which is cute. Like I have a bunch of clothes like that. And then it's just like a basic bralette, right? And yeah, it's got like a little string strap and adjustment in the back. So it's really cute. I like these type of minimalist type of tops. But thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And that's all for today. My son did front. Bye bye.